Okay, just a quick one. If you're trying to install a plugin and then it's not working, like you're trying to install it through the WordPress dashboard. Sometimes if your host has limits, it doesn't work from here. Okay, if you try to go through this place and do this, it might not work. Like it shows you error or something. There's a way around that. Okay, and that is going through doing it via Cpanel. Okay, just log into the Cpanel of the site you want to install. All right, as you can see, I have this installed on this already. So I've just I wanted to install the plugin here. All right. So what I'll do here is come here, go to the file manager, make sure you're logged on to the site you want to install the Instabuilder or the plugin on. Then click on file manager. Right. Yeah. So navigate to WP content. And how do we get to that? First of all, you go to public HTML, go to W content, go to plugin. All right, this is plugin. Inside of this plugin, click on upload, then go select the plugin. Right, go choose the plugin here. In our case, this is boom. Okay, it's installing. So you're just we're just installing it like a normal file. All right, so as you can see, it's in 0%. It should be in 1 until 100. If it gets to 100, it should be green. Just wait till it gets to 100. Okay, so now it's in 100%. That means it has been uploaded. So let's go and go to the next step. So the next step is go back to Cpanel. Yeah, we want to refresh this place. Let me see. I want to refresh. Let's go to plugin again. I want to refresh and get into plugin again. As you can see, the Instabuilder, I just uploaded it here right now. So I right click here, go to extract, and then just click on extract file. Right click, go to extract file. That's all. Then once it's done, once I've shown this, close it. You're done with your Cpanel. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. Go to your installed plugins. Right. So let's look for that Instabuilder. As you can see, it's here already. So you just click on activate. Boom. Instabuilder is ready. So you can see the Instabuilder here right now. We'll start working with it right now, and that's it. So that's how you can install this from your Cpanel. That's if you tried installing directly from the WordPress dashboard and it's giving you any type of error, go through the Cpanel just the way I've explained here. So this is simple, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, and yeah, if you need the Instabuilder plugin, you can hit me up. Yeah, hit me up. The email address on the description down below, right? Hit me up.